Hi, and welcome to this newly finished basement in Avon, Connecticut. Let me show you around a little bit. So as you come in here, you can notice this is a nice open space area which will mainly be used for a gym or workout area in this section here, and then we have an entertainment area where we'll have a TV and couch. Over here to this side we have this built-in bookcase shelf kind of. This was a little niche in the concrete wall, and we could have just built a straight wall and covered this in there, but we made use of this and kind of made this built-in bookcase shelf, which came out pretty nice. And then over here, as you will notice, we have these under the staircase, and we left this open and will be used for a little playroom for the kids, a little hiding place under the staircase. It's all nice and finished. This is red oak stair treads. I really like this extra large post. The customer wanted to really match the upstairs. So when you come downstairs, it's a continuation of the upstairs. So we tried to match the stain, the balusters, the handrail to match closer to the upstairs, and it came out pretty nice. This framed out section is framed out for a future bathroom, full-size bathroom, and this will be the closet for the sewer ejector pump. This was all framed out for a future bathroom, and with that in mind, we made sure that we bring hot and cold water lines. We pre-plumbed everything, and we also framed out this door that when the customer is ready to put in a bathroom here, we just cut this open and install the door. Here is a section where when we were going to do the plumbing for the bathroom, the customer was thinking to add a little countertop, a little bar area with a sink, but we'll do that when we do the plumbing for the bathroom. We'll be adding that. This section here, a little bar area. This will be the little entertainment area with the TV and a couch over here. So the nice part of framing a basement is that you can hang a TV on the wall, like we did here. When you work with the basement system, you cannot really hang anything heavy on the wall. As you notice, this floor came out really nice. It matches perfectly the hardwood upstairs. It's 100% waterproof, scratch resistant, lifetime warranty, and it's a great product, even to work with, and it looks very nice. Our standard baseboard is 3.5, but here we use 6-inch, and then we add the quarter round all the way around, so it matches perfectly the upstairs. We did the same thing for the window trim to match the upstairs. We added this window in because this window is here. This room in the future can be used as a bedroom because you have an egress window and it qualifies as a bedroom. It turned out very nice. We're very happy about it, and most importantly, the customers are very happy, and I hope they'll enjoy it.